It's time for another safe and sane demo brought to you by the BBQ Rando Ranch. And tonight you can see we got Dominator Fireworks and we got a poker face. Showers of sparks. Now, you can see the website. You all know Dominator. Great quality. By the way, down here, here's the performance. Look at this. Never changes expression. It says great fountain with cutout eyes and a strobe brightly. Now, it says here, right down here, face this towards this side. So we'll probably get some lighting or some glowing of the face tonight. There we go. Here's the side. You can hit the code there if you want to see it. No. But I'm going to zoom in there in case you want to peek it ahead of me. There we go. Poker face. So this side, he's not smiling. But on this side, he is. So, you know what? We're going to head on over to the launch pad as it gets dark here on the ranch. And we'll check it out. Are you ready? Off to the, that's right, launch pad. The launch pad, and we got Mr. Poker Face here from Dominator Fireworks, pointed in the right way. So let's see what we're gonna have happen here. Poker Face. Whoa! Face is lighting up. Okay, so you can see his face. It's not lit now, but it lit up a little bit during the crackling. You know what? BBQ